Hello guys, Michael back here, and I'm showing you pure evidence of a copier. Here we go. First video that he copied. Markiplier, where's the blacksmith? Second video he copied. Here's his name so y'all can see it. Alright. Second video he copied. Minecraft animation, do you want to build a snow? Now, sorry y'all cannot see the name, but I'm going to go right down on this paper so y'all do see the name. Here it is. So, capital R, Ryan, capital M, Master, and then 442. Thank you, and I hope y'all enjoyed.